day, ma'am. My name is Darlene Amante.
I am Eunice Castillion.
I'm Anami Ulasiman.
I'm Charles Diurango.
Our research problem is entitled Invasive Species in Mabini and Candijay, Bohol.
So for today's video, we will show you the Mabini and Candijay forest area where the invasive species exist or live, how the other species affects them, and how Locus GIS helps to solve this problem. Locus GIS, a geographic information system, helps map out invasive species and other species by allowing us to visualize, analyze, and understand their spatial distribution and patterns. The name of this data layers is Invasive Species in Mabini and Candijay, and we are using polygons.
Yes, you are right, Nina. We're using polygons to determine the invasive species live in the municipality of Mabini and Candijay.
Invasive plants and trees are species that spread rapidly outside their native range and often cause harm to the environment, economy, or human health. Their success in a new environment depends not only on their own traits but also on how other species in the ecosystem interact with them. The invasive species exist in the area of Candijay and Mabini are mahogany, gimelina, pugon, and hagulon.
In mapping the area of the invasive species, the major factor that affects that invasive species in computation with native plants are strong and well established. They can compete with invasive species for sunlight, water, space, and nutrients. We can slow or even prevent the spread of invasive plants. The second one is herbivores that eat plants. The third one is soil organisms which can benefit from firmer partnership with local fungi or bacteria that help them absorb nutrients but can hinder invasive species or give it an advantage to native plants, depending on the balance of organisms in the soil.
Another important interaction is allelopathy, where plants release chemicals into the soil to inhibit the growth of nearby plants. And many invasive plants use this strategy to reduce competition and dominate the area. And last, pollinators and seed dispersers can either help or hinder invasive plants. If native animals visit invasive flowers or spread their seeds, it increases the invaders' chances of spreading. But if local animals ignore them, invasive plants may struggle to reproduce and expand. So, invasive plants and trees are strongly affected by their interactions with other species, whether through competition, herbivory, cell relationships, chemical effects, or reproduction. Those interactions can either help control invasive species or unintentionally support their spread. Understanding these relationships is a key to managing and protecting ecosystems from invasive plants and invasions. In conclusion, the Locus GIS was the instrument in identifying and mapping the areas where invasive species thrive in the municipalities of Mabini and Candijay, as well as understanding how the other species interact with them.